Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming a current backup, because recovery can overwrite files. Next, note your Windows version and key apps so you can restore them later. Once done, open Settings, choose Update and Security, then Recovery. This puts the recovery options on screen. Make sure to plug in power and save work. The process may restart the PC. You're not installing yet, you're entering the environment that lets you reset, troubleshoot, or access advanced tools. After selecting Restart Now, Windows reboots into the blue Recovery menu so you can access tools that don't run inside the main OS. Choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. From here you decide the path: Startup Repair fixes boot issues, System Restore rolls back recent system changes, and Command Prompt gives file-level control. If you need to reinstall, select Reset this PC. Otherwise, run targeted tools. This structure separates quick fixes from full reinstalls, which prevents unnecessary data loss. When you choose Reset this PC, decide whether to keep your files or remove everything. Keeping files preserves documents but reinstalls Windows, while removing everything gives a clean system. Follow on-screen prompts. The PC will restart several times and may install updates, so be patient. Once complete, sign in and verify drivers and apps. If the process hangs or loops, force a restart, return to Advanced Options, and run Startup Repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.